Welcome to the Recon Trader. In today's video, I will show you how to earn passive income on your crypto via the Celsius wallet. And in this case, I will be transferring MATIC tokens into my Celsius wallet to begin earning 10.5% interest on a cryptocurrency that I already currently plan to hold long term. And Celsius will pay me that 10.5% yield in more MATIC tokens. And so in the long run, I will be accumulating even more MATIC tokens. Now, if you're not familiar with Celsius, they do offer a few different products, one of them being Earn, and that is via their Celsius wallet, and that's what we will be focusing on today. Also, they offer a borrow feature where you can use your crypto as collateral, and they offer extremely low fees. But I have not actually used the borrow feature as I don't typically take out loans on my crypto. Now, you might be wondering, why should I trust Celsius to hold my crypto? As the saying does go, not my keys, not my crypto. But with that being said, Celsius was founded in 2017 with a mission to provide fair and transparent services that your traditional banks fail to provide. And it is noteworthy that they have 15.6 billion community assets that they currently hold. They have almost 1 million registered users. And over the past 12 months, they've paid $346 million in yield payments. And with all those community assets being held, they are one of the largest Bitcoin holders out there with 109,000 Bitcoin. Now, with that all being said, you still need to do your own recon, and they have a complete white paper that you can gather intel from and make your own decision whether or not to trust Celsius with your funds. This video is intended purely for informational purposes and is not intended as investment advice, so you need to do your own recon. Now, if you are new to Celsius and you haven't set up an account yet, I will leave a link in the description down below. And if you use my link, you will receive a $40 sign-up bonus in Bitcoin. Now, in full disclosure, I will also receive a $40 bonus when you sign up. With that being said, you can earn an additional $50 for free in Bitcoin when you sign up by downloading the app and entering promo code HODL50, HODL 50. That will earn you an additional $50 in Bitcoin plus the $40 in Bitcoin, so a total of $90 worth of Bitcoin. So you have the opportunity, if you're new to the Celsius platform, to earn a total of $90 worth of Bitcoin just for depositing $400 worth of crypto. And it does not have to be Bitcoin. It can be Ether, USDT, or any other cryptocurrency as long as it is equal to the $400 minimum required. Now that's enough jaw-jacking. Let's get to actually transferring my MATIC tokens over to my Celsius wallet so I can start earning 10.5% on those tokens. So after you've downloaded the app and joined the Celsius network, you can either use the app on the cell phone to transfer the tokens. And so I just need to put in my email and my password and sign in. And once I sign in, they have another level of security I have to get past, and that's my authentication code. Now I have successfully logged in. I arrive at my dashboard, and you can see I hold a few different coins, including Celsius, Tether, Bitcoin, and I do already hold some of the Polygon or MATIC tokens in this wallet currently. And as you can see, the APY is 10.5%, and I am getting paid on a weekly basis for holding those MATIC tokens in my wallet. But I want to increase my holdings of MATIC in the wallet, and thus I'll be increasing my rewards. And so from the toolbar up here at the top, I just simply click on Receive, and I have the option to add new coins, and that will pop up a list of the coins available to add to my wallet. But in this case, since I already have MATIC coins in the wallet, I can just scroll down, find Polygon MATIC, and click on View and Copy Address. And from this screen, I can just copy the address, and now I need to go to my exchange where I hold those MATIC coins. And the coins I will be transferring today will be from Binance US. And once I've logged into my Binance US account, I just come over to the toolbar where it says Wallet and click on Withdraw. Next, I need to select the coin that I actually want to withdraw, so I just click on the arrow down, and I can scroll down through the tokens and find MATIC Polygon. And in this case, the tokens are going to be ERC20 tokens. And then I need to paste in my MATIC address that I copied over from my Celsius wallet. Then next, I need to put in the amount of MATIC I want to transfer. And in this case, I want to transfer all of the MATIC that I hold. So I'm just going to click on max, which will be 460.5 MATIC coins. Binance, they're going to charge me a fee to withdraw. And in this case, it's going to be 16 MATIC tokens. And so I will end up receiving 444.5 MATIC tokens. So I click submit. Now I need to put in my Google authentication code from my phone. And then there is another level of security with Binance, and they want me to confirm my withdrawal request by checking my email account. So I just jump over to my email account and find the email from Binance and click on confirm withdrawal. And the withdrawal order has been submitted. So now I can jump back over to the withdrawal history. Under the crypto tab, withdraw, you can see that MATIC transaction is processing. And if we jump back over to the Celsius dashboard and scroll down, you can see I have 535 MATIC currently in the wallet. And now I'm waiting on the 444 tokens to come over from Binance. And a quick refresh of the screen, and you can see I now have 979.5 MATIC tokens in my Celsius wallet, and that took probably about a minute to receive those tokens, literally a minute. And that is one benefit of MATIC, or the Polygon network, is the speed of transactions versus Ethereum. And so now I will begin earning the 10.5 APY on these additional 444 MATIC tokens. And so that pretty much wraps it up. I just wanted to share with you how you could build wealth by earning passive income on your long-term hold positions in crypto. So if you like this video, do me a favor, spike a like. If you're interested in building wealth via cryptocurrencies, whether that be trading or long-term investing, you might want to shoot that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. If you have any questions or comments, drop those in the comment section down below. I will drop a link to Celsius in the description down below, and when you use that link, you will get $40 worth of free Bitcoin. And don't forget to use the promo code of HODL50 so you get the additional $50 worth of Bitcoin when you join the Celsius network. And in closing, remember, never send your money into battle without first doing your recon. See you in the next video.